Hello and welcome to the Explain series with your host Dr Bret Palmer, and this episode is how to remove solid hard smegma. So why am I doing this episode? I get a lot of text messages, usually from young teenagers who have just realised that their foreskin actually is retractable, and they're finding this thick yellow substance underneath their foreskin, and that is just dried secretions. Now, a lot of the time these dried secretions are actually a little bit crumbly, a little bit flaky, or can be easily removed just in the shower or just with on a sink basin, just with a bit of water. You don't need soap. If you want to use something, you can use an emollient like E45 emollient or Dermal 200 emollient. Emollients are not moisturizers, don't use them as such, especially on the genitals. They are washes. So you put water on the genitals, then you put an emollient, and then you use water to wash it off. And it's as simple as that. Now, but some individuals have a very hard smegma. It's literally like a baked on cheese under the foreskin. So what do you do about that? And the text messages I get will be, oh, it's really hard, how the hell do I get out of this hard smegma? It seems to be baked on. And the advice in this video is the advice I give to those comments, which is quite simply, have a nice warm bath. Not too hot, just warm enough to be comfortable to sit in. Retract the foreskin as far as it will comfortably go, and just sit there with it retracted and allow the water to soak in. Now, I would say just a normal, as it were, Japanese type of bath, which means no soap in it, just plain water at a nice temperature. Okay, so if you want to shower beforehand and then have a bath, that is, as it were, the correct way of doing it. So a bath is more of a relaxing entity, and then just retract the foreskin, allow the water to soak into the smegma for about 10 to 15 minutes, or however is as long as comfortable, and that should help free up the smegma when it washes. And you may have to do that a few times. You have to remember, you haven't retracted your foreskin for maybe 13, 14, 15 years if you're 15 years of age. So don't get upset if it doesn't remove immediately. This is a thing that goes on for quite a long time. But that is the best way of removing smegma. And if you are a teenager and you are running a bath, you don't overfill the bath. You have the bath quite low, just enough to cover the body, because you don't want to fall asleep in the bath. Okay, that's a big no-no. Baths are relaxing, and the problem is drownings happen every year in most countries due to people falling asleep in the bath and then slipping under the water. So don't be foolish, don't do that. Don't overfill the bath, and you only want to cover your genitals while you're sitting in the bath, and then you can relax in that position. So I hope that's useful. Feel free to leave a comment. The channel's getting quite busy, so I can't answer all the comments, but so please search for a video to see if your question is actually answered by the contents of previous videos. I've got over 120 videos now on this channel, so you should hopefully be able to find something. But if you have a video idea, please also comment on that one. Take care and look after yourself, and see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.